All right. I apologize for my voice. I'm feeling a little under the weather. But the video I picked, oh, here it's over here. It's Clap Along, Brain Breaks, Green Beans Music interactive song. Um, I chose this video because it is, I think, you can see it's short, simple. So that allows it to be um, and colorful, which allows it to be kind of interactive for the children, easy for them to pay attention to. The fact that it's so short makes it really easy for them to follow along with and kind of retain the information. It goes very slow and very simple, so it's understandable for young children to take away from, or even adults. It was easy for me to pay attention to and take things out of it. The skill that's being taught, it teaches both beat and rhythm. It teaches you the beat count and the rhythm, like the spaces between those beat counts. So it starts off saying one, so you give one clap, and then you pause, which is the rhythm, and then you do another clap. So yeah, and then it goes from doing one clap to doing two claps between each pause. So you do two claps and then pause, two claps, pause, and so that kind of teaches you the beat and the rhythm at the same time. And then yeah, the teacher could easily guide students through this. Yeah, that's it.